Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ice cream yogurt. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of plain full-fat yogurt, 1/2 cup of sugar or another sweetener, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk these together until the sugar fully dissolves. Then, cover the mixture and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or even overnight. This crucial step ensures your yogurt base is very cold, which is essential for achieving a smooth, creamy final product. Once your yogurt base is thoroughly chilled, it is time to churn. Pour the cold mixture into the frozen bowl of your ice cream maker. Turn on the machine and let it churn for about 20 to 30 minutes. The exact time will depend on your specific machine and the desired consistency. You are looking for a texture similar to soft serve ice cream. Do not over-churn, as this can make the yogurt less smooth. After churning, your ice cream yogurt will be soft, like a fresh soft serve. To achieve a firmer, scoopable consistency, transfer the yogurt into an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours. For the best texture, remove it from the freezer about 10 minutes before you plan to serve it. This brief softening period will make it easier to scoop and enhance its creamy mouthfeel. To customize your ice cream yogurt, consider adding mix-ins. During the last 5 minutes of churning, you can incorporate ingredients like fresh berries, chocolate chips, or chopped nuts. For storage, keep any leftover frozen yogurt in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Remember, it might become quite firm, so let it sit out for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade, delicious, and refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.